Everyone, so today in this video we are going to discuss about Rallis India Limited share. We also know that it is a Tata Enterprise company, so we'll discuss the complete fundamentals as well as technicals of the company. So in the previous video I have discussed about Urja Global, so in that we discussed the company's future fundamentals and technicals. So if you want to watch it, you can definitely watch that, and people have not yet subscribed can definitely subscribe the channel. And whenever an upper circuit or lower circuit stock or any good stock is having movement, I'm immediately updating in the Telegram as well as YouTube community section. So if you want to follow, can definitely follow it and subscribe the channel. Okay, now let's see about this particular share. So almost we can see that Rallis India surges 10% in weak market. Also we know that today market was almost 1.85 negative, and this stock has hit its record high. Almost it went to its 52-week high, and it's currently around 297 and 298. So we'll try to find out the levels of the stock also if you're interested in it, and we'll try to find out the future of the company as well. So what is Rallis? So Rallis is a Tata Enterprise, is a subsidiary of Tata Chemicals. So with the business presence in the farm essential vertical. So we know that whenever farming is there, so particular pesticides as well as chemicals. So for that all crop care, so this particular company provides all the chemicals as well as pesticides essential for the crop growth. Okay, so now crop growth will also play a very important role, because we know that the demand for what we can say the food is very high, and the pesticides also are required for that, so as to protect the crops from all sort of organisms. Okay, so when we see its business, the company's 2300 distributors reach more than 40,000 retailer counters across the country, covering 80%. So you can see 80% of India's districts, and we can say that almost 80% is not a joke. Okay, and we can see current market price is around 293.50, and almost 8.46% upward movement was shown. And you can see headquarters is in India, and parent organization is Tata Chemicals. Okay, now you understood the basic business of it. So it is into chemicals as well as pesticides. So why it is giving this much huge movement? Because the results are on its way. I think the results will be very good for this company, so that's why okay, the stock has started showing huge movement. Okay, so let's see the basic overview, shareholding, and then we'll see the technicals of the share. So when you see the basic market cap is around 5,690 crores. You can see dividend yield is around 0.85, and you can see PE is around 30. Okay, and industry PE is around 42.50, and deliveries are 35.73, and book value 72.51. So it's high as compared to its book value, and P is 30 and industry P is 42. Okay, slightly less than the industry P, and deliveries are moderate, 35.73%. Now let's see the shareholding. So when you see the shareholding, you can see that the promoters are having a 50% stake, pledging is not there, and FIIs, okay, and FIIs are having almost 4.89%. So you can see it has slightly increased from 4.67 to 4.89, and total DIs holding has also increased. Now when you see the mutual fund holding, you can see 15% mutual fund holding is there, and it is increasing as compared to quarter on quarter. So mutual fund holding is increasing from 13%, it has increased to 15.01. okay, you can see here 12 to 13, 13 to 15. So mutual fund holding is increasing. So whenever mutual fund holding is increasing, so they focus on only companies which are having a future growth. Okay, so that thing also you need to keep in mind. But blindly you should not go in mutual fund holding also. So we have also seen about the business also. Whenever the business financials and fundamentals are good, then only we need to have an entry in any stock. Now let's see the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. So you can see strengths are it's near the 52-week high, and you can see company is with low debt. Okay, book value per share is improving, company with zero promoter pledge. So this thing are main, and we can say company is with low debt. So these are the two main things, and stock gain more than 20%, price showing up. Okay, so momentum is also there for the stock in all the medium as well as a long term moving averages. So we'll see that also on charts. So these are the basic strengths. So when we see the weaknesses, so we can see that net profit is only the negative for this company. So profits were not being reported even in quarter on quarter as well as year on year. So decline in net profit as well as we can say fall in profit as well as revenue, as well as there was a slight decrease. So that was only the main disadvantages of this particular company. So what are the opportunities? So you can see that positive breakout has been seen, RSI indicating price strength, so high volume, high gain. Individual superstar investors rise stake in these stocks. So who are those? You know that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has also increased stake in this particular company. What are the threats of this company? So you can see degrowth in revenue, profits, and operating profit margin. So these are only the basic threats to this company. Okay, now let's see the returns and then we'll find out the technicals. So when we see the returns almost in 1 week, okay, it has given we can say 11.74 returns, 3 months 38.71, 6 months 32, and in 1 year it has given 90.43% return. So we can say that very good returns in almost 1 year. 90 returns is not a joke. Okay, we can say very good returns by this company. So now let's see the technicals. So on technicals, when you see the 1 day chart, you can see that current market price 292 and it's taken support at the 20 EMA. It has taken the support and we can say that a huge momentum was shown, and also MACD showing that did not show any crossover, but it's telling that more movement may be possible. And next, if we see that almost money flow index is also not reached the overbought region yet, so some more momentum is possible, but you need to be cautious. It has almost reached its 52-week high. Okay, if you are already invested in it, then you can relax, but if you want to do fresh investment, it would be very risky at this particular point. You don't know when the profit booking or anything will happen, but it's moving only on one reason, that its quarter one results will be excellent. So that is the main reason. So what you can see on we can say 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also same thing. Still the MACD is also showing that more momentum is possible, and money flow index almost reached the overbought zone. So you need to be cautious. If you are invested in it, then you need to relax, but if you are trying to invest, then 246 level would be interesting to find out. But will it reach the 246 level also? We can't assure that, because now it's in full swing. So if you want to try, you can definitely invest in small quantities. But business wise, the company is very good, but don't enter at high levels. Okay, and people have invested at bottom levels can still hold the stock. More momentum may be possible. So this is all about the technicals of this company. So in next video we'll discuss about another excellent share. So stay tuned, and if you're not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.